Just press and hold the app icon on the main screen, and a floating window will pop up. Here, you can switch the app to one of your favorites, like your go-to music app. You can also change a few apps on the second interface too, so feel free to mix it up. Now, if you want to try a different free car launcher theme, here's the trick. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or your phone's hotspot first, otherwise, the free themes might not show up right away. Once you're connected, just pick the theme you like and switch it over. Easy, right?